deepest core of ourselves. Bars. Am I a DNA of my forefathers? Am I results of slavery or just a king waiting to be crowned? Who can comfort a leader who is groomed by the hungry and angry mob? Who is that man who can deny the facts when the sun reflects on them? Who can look inside the moon and tell us if really NASA landed? The bed is made, only the brave one will enter that room. Sunlight came after a storm. Who do we crown the king? Who hunt the lion to avoid starvation? Who heals broken souls by speaking to dead people? Clarity is something that comes from liars. You don't oppress to teach the truth. You do as a way to get your way. You go as good riddance in accordance to what you tried to achieve. Most won't hear this disputation. You ache and thirsting, but the vows won't hit until you jealous of your rules. You are a strong being, but your conscience died a while back. I may be a little offensive, cause you always deny the truth. I set examples by pointing out fallen heroes. Who is that icon who never left a legacy? What is a legacy if does not possess your people with voice and power? You are still not. You are still mine enough. You are way far from control. You are not near the control. If karma was a bitch, in 94 it was a saint. Sins casted out through scenes like a movie. Soak up your head through the questions like who are we? Build up the tension from within like who are we? It's not a place to pass the judgment but an energy. From the bottom to the top came a story. Lies detected from the truth, so deceitful. I will never trust until my bank got on zeros. Everybody fighting peace and edging if I never start. Most won't hear this disputation. You ache and thirsting, but the vows won't hit until you jealous of your rules. You are a strong being, but your conscience died a while back. I may be a little offensive, cause you always deny the truth. Who am I? Who we are? Contradiction, indication that we need to go back to our real roots, the deepest core of ourselves. I set examples by pointing out fallen heroes. Who is that icon who never left a legacy? What is a legacy if does not possess your people with voice and power? You are still not. You are still modern. From control, you are not near the control.